जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMA Samachar channel from the international world. Iceland is a Nordic island country in the North Atlantic with a population of 3,64,134 and an area of 1,03,000 km, making it the most sparsely populated country in Europe. The capital and largest cities, Reykjavik and the surrounding areas in the southwest of the country are home to over 2/3 of the population. Iceland is volcanically and geologically active. The interior consists of a plateau characterized by sand and lava fields, mountains and glaciers, and many glacial rivers flow to the sea through the lowlands. Iceland-India relations refers to the bilateral relations between Iceland and India. Historically, Indo-Icelandic bilateral relations have been friendly but lacked substantive content. Iceland and India established diplomatic relations in 1972. China-Iceland relations are foreign relations between China and Iceland. Diplomatic relations between them were established on December 1972. Country. Central government increased 3 months tax in household year services. Polytechnic student can able to do study on Doordarshan from 26 July. Sacraments. Other states. Person can do Char Dham travels. Uttarakhand's minister give the permission. Environment. Mahananda River is a transboundary river that flows through the Indian state of Bihar and West Bengal and Bangladesh. The Mahananda originates in the Himalayas. Pagalhosra falls on Mahaldrim hill near Chimli east of Kushiong in Darjeeling district at an elevation of 2,100 meters. Invention. Salvino D. Armide probably invented eyeglasses in around 1285. Through various sources suggest an earlier origin, he shared the invention of his new device with Alessandro della Spina, an Italian monk who made it public and is often credited with inventing eyeglasses. Great person. Prem Chand Dhanpat Rai Srivastava was born on 31st July 1880. He was better known by his pen name Munshi Prem Chand. He was an Indian writer famous for his modern Hindustani literature. He is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. His novels include Godan, Karmabhumi, Gavan, Mansarovar Iddag. He published his first collection of 5 short stories in 1907 in a book called Soz-e-Watan. He began writing under the pen name Nawab Rai but subsequently switched to Prem Chand. Munshi being an honorary prefix, a novel writer, story writer and dramatist. He has been referred to as Upnaya Samrat by writers. His works include more than a dozen novels, around 300 short stories, several essays and translations of a number of foreign literary works into Hindi. State. Chhattisgarh state of East Central India. It is bounded by the Indian states of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand to the north and northeast, Odisha to the east, Telangana, part of Andhra Pradesh to the south, and Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra to the west. Its capital is Raipur. Area 52,199 square miles. The state was formed on 1st November 2000 by Pashanington Chhattisgarh and 6 Gondi-speaking southeastern district of Madhya Pradesh. The capital is Raipur. Crops. Spinach is a leafy green flowering plant native to Central and Western Asia. It is of the order Caryophyllaceae family, Armanthaceae subfamily, Cyanopodium. Its leaves are a common edible vegetable consumed either fresh or after sautés using preservation techniques by carrying, freezing or dehydration. It may be eaten cooked or raw and the taste differs considerably. The high oxalate content may be reduced by steaming. Fruits. Neola marcacia Kadamba, with English common names birdflower tree, laran and liachard, chard, pine and called Kadam locally, is an evergreen tropical tree native to South and Southeast Asia. The genus name honors French naturalist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. It has scattered orange flowers in dense globe-shaped clusters. The flowers are used in perfumes. The tree is grown as an ornamental plant and for timber and paper making. Kadam features in Indian religions and mythologies. Flower. A poppy is a flowering plant in the subfamily Papaverdaceae. Of the family Papaverdaceae, poppies are herbaceous plants often grown for their colorful flowers. One of the species of poppy, Papaver somniferum, is a source of narcotic drug opium, which contains powerful medicinal alkaloids such as morphine and has been used since ancient times as an analgesic and narcotic medicinal and recreational drug. It also produces edible seeds. Vajrasan is a kneeling asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. Medieval texts describe a variety of poses under this name. Vajrasan is one of the easiest yoga asanas to perform. It stimulates the vast nadi, which facilitates digestion. It helps relieve constipation and strengthens lower back, legs and thigh. Universe. Nubian Desert, Arabic Sahara and Nubia Desert in northeastern Sudan. It is separated from the Libyan Desert by the Nile River Valley to the west, while to the north is Egypt, eastward the Red Sea and southward the Nile. Again, unlike the Libyan Desert, the Nubian Desert is rocky and rugged, though there are some dunes, and towards the Red Sea the desert rising in gentle slopes to west culminates in precipitous uplands of the Red Sea Hills. Irba 7,273 feet to the east. It is essentially a sandstone plateau interspersed with many valleys that die out before reaching a Nile. The rainfall average less than 5 inches a year. Mathematics. In classical mathematics, analytic geometry, also known as coordinate geometry or Cartesian geometry, is the study of geometry using a coordinate system. This contrasts with synthetic geometry. Analytic geometry is used in physics and engineering and also in aviation, rocketry, space science and space flight. Ayurveda. Garlic is a species in the onion genus Allium. Its close relatives include the onion, shallot, leek, chive and Chinese onion. It is native to Central Asia and northeastern Iran and has been a common seasoning worldwide with a history of several thousand years of human consumption and use. Village town. Almora is a municipal board and a cantonment town in the state of Uttarakhand, India. It is the administrative headquarters of Almora district. Almora is located on the ridge at the southeastern edge of the Kumaon Hills of the Himalaya range at a distance of 363 km from the national capital New Delhi and 415 km via Saharanpur, 315 km. According to the provincial results of the 2011 National Census of India, Almora has an population 35,513. Nestled within higher peaks of the Himalaya, Almora enjoys a year-round mild temperature climate. The town is visited by thousands of tourists annually from all over the world. Almora has beautifully been able to maintain its sanctity all over these years. Today's even Henry IV of France publicly converts from Protestantism of Roman Catholicism. 1603, James VI of Scotland is crowned King of England, bringing the Kingdom of England and Kingdom of Scotland with a personal union. Political union would occur in 1755, British Governor Charles Lawrence and the Nova Scotia Council ordered the deportation of the Acadians. 1814, War of 1812, an American attack on Canada is repulsed. 1824, Costa Rica annexes Juan Castro from Nicaragua. Weather, the alert of weather forecaster 27 to 29 July will run. In Delhi, today's temperature in Patna 27 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 28 degrees Celsius. The Indian Institutes of Technology are autonomous public technical and research universities located across India. They are governed by the Institutes of Technology Act 1961, which has been declared the main institutions of national importance and lays down their powers, duties and framework for governance. The Institutes of Technology Act 1961 lists 23 institutes. Each IIT is autonomous linked to others through a common council which oversees their administration. The Minister of Human Resource Development is the ex officio chairperson of the IIT Council. As of 2019, the total number of seats for undergraduate programs in all IITs is 13,376. The only major requirement to admit to this institution is to pass the JEE Advanced. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः